What's going on, people? I'm Joelah Noble for the Sole Supplier, and today we're having a look at the Jordan 1 OG Dark Mochas, or as some wrong people like to say, mochas. Now, these babies are a firm favorite for the Sole Supplier audience, as well as sneakerheads everywhere. Now, I'm thinking that's possibly because it's giving us Travis Scott vibes, but without the reverse swoosh. Now, I personally can't decide which ones I prefer. Maybe these, because you know, they're classic and that, but you guys let me know what you prefer in the comments. Now, in terms of materials, this is some good quality stuff, you know? You've got premium nubuck leather, brushed suede, the colorways are just talking to me with the brown and the black, balanced out with the white panels. You got a perforated toe box in true Michael Jordan fashion. You got the Nike Air logo on the tongue and the classic wing logo on the collar. So now you're probably wondering when you can get these. I mean, they've been delayed hundreds of thousands of times, but they are coming out on the 19th of December at 8 a.m. And they're also coming out in grade school sizes. So big foot gal, small foot gal, like me, you can get them. So they're already on the sneakers app. But if you want a chance in hell of copping these, then make sure you head over to the Sole Supplier to check out the full list of retailers. And the Sole Supplier have updated their app, so make sure you update the ting to make sure you never miss a drop again. And resellers, I know you're watching. On StockX at the moment, you can get these for between £300 to £500 a pop, depending on the size. And I reckon if you keep them for dead stock, the price will just continue to rise. But of course, wear your shoes. They're there to be worn. Now, in terms of styling, I like to wear these quite simple, you know, a pair of tracksuit bottoms or perhaps some trousers like this, so you can really show off the ting, you know? But let me know what you're gonna wear yours with, and I'll catch you next time for the next unboxing.